To Hong Kong, the annual Asian Forum in Hong Kong kicks off on Monday. The two-day event is themed Asia Powering World Growth. Among notable guest speakers is Hong Kong's Chief Executive Leung ChunYing. ChunYing reports.
These Chinese RMB signs are getting more visible in the city, and many expect a lot more of them in the years to come. An increasing number of Hong Kong residents now hold Chinese RMBs either for savings or for investment, owing to its stable valuation and steady appreciation. And as the RMB forges ahead to becoming an international currency, it becomes all the more imperative for Hong Kong to build on its first-mover status in the offshore RMB business as rivals London, Singapore, and Taiwan close in. And this is what Hong Kong Chief Executive Leung highlighted in his keynote speech at the start of the 7th Asian Financial Forum.
China's currency liberalization is not just a national or regional trend. It is a truly global trend. Hong Kong is the main conduit for the flow of renminbi capital and perhaps more importantly, the flow of information on developing and expanding renminbi business around the world. We have established a number of private sector platforms for collaborating with other places such as London, Paris, Australia, and more recently with Malaysia.
Hong Kong still got much to do to keep ahead of the game. Savers and investors, for instance, still have to deal with the limit on the RMBs they can exchange on a daily basis. Experts say removing that cap would lead to exponential growth in RMB-denominated products in the city.
Players in the financial industry will be big beneficiaries, says AIA Group, which has a sizable exposure on the mainland. Chief Executive and President Mark Tucker is a panelist at the same forum.
When we write RMB products, we must find assets to match, and it's the asset matching element that's becoming increasingly challenging. Over time, this will open up. So over time, as the capital accounts becomes converted, etc., the opportunities in this space and for RMB are immense. Do I think the RMB will become a reserve currency of the world in the future? I think it has every potential to do that, but alongside the US dollar, not in replacing it.
Beyond the RMB, C.Y. Leung also spoke of the need to innovate the city's financial services industry through the issuance of Islamic bonds. Hong Kong this year plans to issue sukuks, bonds structured according to the tenets of Islam, in a move to capture a large slice of the more than $1 trillion market. All these come on the heels of Hong Kong's efforts to stay relevant and resilient in the face of competition to stay as the world's premier global financial center. ChunYing, CCTV, Hong Kong.